My new best friend in travel is a set of packing cubes. So I'm getting a first look at the Bagsmart compression travel cubes. And this part here feels like kind of a nylon. Here I've got some netting that allows it to breathe. The zipper feels pretty good, so you've got good hardware. So now let's see what's in the 6 pieces. We've got this extra large travel cube, large travel cube, medium, and small. And then we've got a shoe bag and a laundry bag. Now, one of the things that people always wonder what to do with is their dirty laundry. So with this 6-piece set, you don't have to worry about that. Just put the dirty laundry inside and then tuck this in your travel bag once you're ready to pack up for home. The shoe bag keeps the nastiness on the bottom of your shoes from the rest of your garments. Now, one of the things that I'm loving about this Bagsmart set is the see-through mesh bag. So once I get the bag packed, I can just look through and I can see what's in it. But I like the feel of it. It feels nice and sturdy, so I think it's not going to rip very easily. And sturdy handles on each of the bags. And you've got 2 sets of zippers. One set which actually opens the bag, and then you have another set which is the compression piece. So let's try it out. So I've opened the compression piece, and so you see how wide and expandable they are. Now let's open the bag. And we'll put these t-shirts in. So now we'll zip it up, and I can look inside and see that I've got t-shirts in. So now let's compress it. So I'll use the compression zipper. And you can see how it's just now it's compressed, so see how much thinner it is. So you save up to 60% of space in your suitcase, and you can see what's inside. So I think I like that. Now, one nice thing too is that the zippers open all the way out, so it lays flat so that you have access to the complete interior of the bag. Now let's compress it. They all fit nicely inside. These Bagsmart travel cubes check all the boxes. I highly recommend them.